dat ik altijd moet respecteren in verantwoordelijk is voor mij doen en laten. Zo met andere woorden, mijn pa heeft me geleerd weer eens dat ik altijd toezien aan die medemensen wie tekort dat aan iets. So gees en zo zal die gezien wees. Ja, happy Father's Day aan die toekomende zondag wat voor lê, wat ons Vaderdag gaan vieren. Die video is oorspronkelijk van mijn pa bedoeld. Baie dankie.
Thobela ba gora wareng le bale nna ka leina ke nna Lebogang Danster nna tate wa ka o e lego malome ya ka Themba Danster o nthutile kwele botlhoko o nthutile kwešišo a nthuta le yona tlhompho mafelelong a beke re tla be re keteka letšatši la botate a re anegeleng bana ba rena dikanegelo gobane tsohle ka moka di thoma ka kanegelo
Is wel 'n stil mens. Hy gaan nie eintlik baie deel nie. So baie keer as ek in die voet was, dan gaan my pa na my ma toe gaan. Dan gaan ek die streep van my ma afkry. Maar alhoewel hy nog nie baie gepraat het en hy stil was, het ek by hom baie geleer dat as 'n mens gee, dan gaan jy terugkry. So as jy respek gee, jy gaan respek terugkry. So een iets wat ek baie van by hom opgelet het was om te gee. Soos die Here gee en dit het vir my baie geleer.
My father is the kind of man who puts our needs first before his own needs. He's getting in a way that doesn't need words, but you just feel it. He'll give his last just so we can have everything we need, even when he has nothing left for himself. I see how much he loves us in the little things he does every day. And so that's the kind of man my father is. Selfless, caring, and my hero, or our hero.
Father taught me that life is all about choices. The choices you make today will determine your future. He also said in that sentence that he also taught me or said in that sentence that the one bad choice can set you back for 2 or 3 years or 1 year. We are human, so we will make mistakes. But he also said that you must try not to make as many mistakes because it will affect your future.
Growing up, I was an only daughter and only sister to my brothers. And being the only girl of my mother and my father, very spoiled. But I can honestly say my father taught me a lot of lessons, a lot of life lessons, meaning that if you want something, don't easily give up. And that is the most important lesson for me, is to keep striving for what I want, what I need, and who I am, and to still believe in me and for being me. So I'm a daddy's girl, and thank you.
Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. My father taught me how to be honest, loyal, hardworking, respectful, and independent.
My pa het my geleer dat 'n man nie huil met sy oë nie, maar met sy dade. Hy wys my elke dag wat harde werk, respek en loyaliteit beteken, nie met woorde nie, maar met wie jy is. My pa, jy is my held. Ek waardeer jou meer as wat woorde ooit sal kan sê. Dankie.
My pa, my eerste liefde, my held. My pa het my geleer om altyd eerlik, respekvol en verantwoordelik te wees. Hy het my ook geleer dat mens moet nooit opgee in die lewe nie, alles dinge ook moeilik. Ek is dankbaar vir alles wat hy my geleer het, want dit help my om 'n beter mens te wees. Hy is vir my 'n groot voorbeeld en ek waardeer sy liefde en sy ondersteuning.
Good morning, everyone. For Father's Day, we want to share with you what our fathers taught us.
My father taught me that the truth is messy, but lies cuts deeper. But he also taught me that I'm stuck at DIY.
My father taught me that being right is less important than being together.
My father taught me that owing my shit and owing my mess is a first step to growing. So,
Today we say thank you. My father taught me, and I'm still learning. Happy Father's Day.
Good morning, guys. My name is Fiona van Steen. This is Donia in Verity. Our presentation is about My Father Taught Me. Donia will start and tell us about her father.
My father has taught me to be nice to everyone and always be there when people need.
Verity?
My father taught me how to be strong and hardworking, and he taught me to love myself.
My father taught me tough love and to compromise.
Happy Father's Day!
Good day. So I'm Lanisha. This is Whitney. This is Laura. So we are going to talk about what our fathers taught us in this life.
My father taught me that showing up is half the battle. Stressed, tired, or not, you must still show up for the people that you love.
My father taught me how to be brave and strong even on the days when I want to give up.
My father taught me that family means everything. That you must never feel left out because we must stick together to the very end. Happy Father's Day!
Taught me to, if you want something done, you should do it yourself because no one's coming to save you. You have to save yourself. And also to respect others so that you can get respect back. Happy Father's Day.
Good day, everyone. So, yes, I was not raised by my biological father, but the one that I had and the ones that I'm still having is honestly a blessing. But I will choose this one specific man. Okay, so he's my spiritual father. So, what he taught me, my father in the faith taught me, it is to focus on myself. And one exception is that I should focus on my personality. So yes, that is the most important thing that he said. Yeah, and it is for me not to be comfortable or get comfortable in any area of my life because there is always room for improvement. Yes.
Vadersdag. My pa het my geleer hoe om 'n mens te wees en hoe om baie sterk te staan al maak die lewe hoe seer. Ook dat familie baie belangrik is. Hy het my geleer wat ware liefde is. Soms voel dit vir ons dat manne nie kan hartseer of 'n hart hê nie, maar hy het my geleer dat hulle ook kan huil.
My father taught me everything I needed to know. This is not my biological father, but he is someone that I can call my father. He taught me how to be humble. He taught me how to love. He taught me how to forgive people. But the most important thing he taught me is how to work on myself. He's not only my mentor, he's someone that I can run to whenever I am in need of something. So that is who my father is. He is my hero, he is my help, he is my rock.